will discuss now today database. So usually WebLogic, uh, in our system we have created a third party application like Oracle XC. Okay, so we need to connect with the database,
So
right?
actually, I missed something. For some reason, I got disconnected in between.
Okay, so now we need to connect with third party applications. So if you want to connect with third party applications, like we have a database.
Yeah, I am more interested in the database because all our code is connecting to database.
Yes, this is a database.
Okay.
This is a JDeveloper,
Oh,
JDeveloper, and
okay.
where we can deploy our code into WebLogic.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you want to connect, we need to create a connection for JDeveloper and database. Why? Because we need to select
Yeah. Yeah.
while developing a code, we need to select a database, and then once we deploy our code into WebLogic, again WebLogic has to connect with
Database.
database.
Yeah.
So at that time, we need to create a configurations in the WebLogic level for database.
Okay.
Okay, so to configurations like first we need to create a database configurations.
We are talking about data source.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm aware of data source.
Yeah. So first we need to create a data source,
Okay.
then outbound connection pool.
Outbound connection pool. So is outbound
Okay.
connection pool specific to SOA?
Yes. We call as a JNDI.
JND.
Okay. This JNDI we can use it in JDeveloper. We have a two pages in the SOA: EM, Enterprise Manager, and Console.
Okay.
So in the console page, we will do configurations as a database name. Naka. Okay, now I have created a data source. Now I'll go to deployments. So here we have a DB adapter. Click on DB adapter.
So you created DB adapter or
No, already it's there. Okay, so then configuration.
so yours no my question from where did the DB adapter came?
So deployments.
Okay.
1 second. Deployments. Here you can see DB adapter.
Okay, so does it come with WebLogic by default?
Yes, correct. So DB adapter. We are going to create a outbound connection pool now.
Okay.
Then configuration, outbound connection pool. Then I'll create a new. So just select connection factory. So here I'll provide uh, EIS slash DB DB slash Duhita.
So here is it anything you can give or like you are giving whatever you connected created before?
No. Anything we can give, but EISDB is the standard.
Okay.
Okay, I'll copy this, finish. Okay, now you can see outbound connection for details. Duhita, EISDB Duhita. Open this. Okay, now we have created two things. First, data source
Okay.
separately and outbound connection pool.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to link these two, right? So
Yeah.
for that we need to copy data source JNDI and we need to place here. Control V. You need to click enter. Okay, then click on save.
But that is the XA data source, right? That
Yes, we have created Excel data. So thin Excel we have selected, right?
while creating the JDBC.
Data. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now again go to deployments. We need to update the. We need to update the DB adapter. Next, finish. So two steps. Data source we need to create. Outbound connection pool we need to create. We need to copy data source chain into outbound connection pool. Then we'll update the DB adapter. So
Okay.
once this step is completed, now we can go to JDeveloper. So now my requirement is I'll create one table, new table, employees I can provide, employees, employees. Okay, it's not there. So name, ID, country, gender, status. Okay, and I will mention any ID is the primary key, which is not null. Okay,
Okay.
I'll click OK. Now my requirement I want to expose as a SOAP web service. Okay,
Okay.
whatever enter data, it should add into this table.
Okay.
So I'll create a project application. So what else? So project. Okay, web service to DB insert. So next. So I'll go with paper process. Why? Because I want to expose as a web service, right?
Yeah.
Finished. So synchronous. No, just I'll go with one way. Whatever data comes, just I'll insert in the DB.
Okay, that's fine. But so in that case, right, if you are calling that service from the SOAP asynchronous service, so you won't you get do you get anything back or no?
No, no.
So you won't get any acknowledgement also, right?
Yes. Okay. So I'll in the XSD I'll do some changes like whatever required details I want. I'll edit in source mode. Okay, full name, gender, MPID, location, status. Okay, done. So close this papel. Now I'll drag and drop DB adapter to the target side. Okay, so I'll use insert next. So here we need to create a DB connection details. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll browse. Okay,
No, can't we give direct connection string to whichever
no,
database you want to connect?
oh, J and A we have created, right? If you have, we can copy paste, no issue.
No, no, my question is right. I am testing from so I'm testing my local machine. I know my dev connection string, test connection string, qual connection string. Can I connect to anything whatever I want from the JDeveloper?
Oh, yeah, connect. Just now I have given connection details, right?
Yeah,
You can use that there. Here you can provide.
I didn't get. I don't know. Did you understand my question? నా క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
లేదు లేదు.
ప్లస్ నేను లోకల్ నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తున్నా. ఇప్పుడు టిప్కో ఉందనుకో నాకు. ఐ హావ్ టిప్కో రైట్.
Okay.
Even from a local machine, I can connect to test database, dev, or qual, whatever database I want. Just I need to
Yeah,
provide the
you can.
username, password, and the connection string.
Yeah,
Okay.
if I click here, if you provide dev details or production details, so it will show production tables.
Okay. But what is JNDA for? We don't
So
generally we don't give any JNDA actually.
ఎస్ ఎస్ మనము ఇక్కడ ఈ మన కోడ్ని వెబ్లాజిక్కి డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాం కదా. ఈ
Okay.
కోడ్ అంతా ఈఎం కన్సోల్లో ఉంటుంది.
Okay.
ఈఎం కన్సోల్లో జేఎండే కనెక్ట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన డేటా సోర్స్ కానీ అవుట్బౌండ్ కనెక్షన్ ఫుల్ కానీ ఈ కన్సోల్ పేజ్లో.
Okay.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఎవరన్నా టెస్ట్ చేస్తే ఈ జేఎండే వెళ్ళేసి కన్సోల్‌లో ఉన్న జేఎన్‌డీకి చెప్తుంది. జేఎన్‌డీ వెళ్ళేసి డేటా సోర్స్‌కి చెప్తుంది. డేటా సోర్స్‌లో ఏ కనెక్షన్ డీటెయిల్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో, ఆ కనెక్షన్ డీటెయిల్స్‌తో ఉన్న టేబుల్స్‌ని కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Okay. So that what you're saying is that always, if you're migrating through environments, always JNDA name and date JNDA name should be same across all the environments.
కరెక్ట్.
You can't change it.
నో. నో.
సో అన్నిట్లో సేమ్ ఉండాలండి. సేమ్ JNDA నేమ్ ఉండాలి అయితే అప్పుడు.
సేమ్ జేఎన్‌డీ నేమే ఉండాలి. లేదంటే మనకి డిప్లాయ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది. ఈచ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్‌కి సెపరేట్ కాన్ఫిగ్ ప్లాన్ అనేది జనరేట్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
అప్పుడు వి కెన్ చేంజ్ దట్ జేఎన్‌డీ.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్. So here we have a multiple operations call a store procedure or perform operation in a table or pull new or change records in a table or execute pure SQL. Now we'll do perform operation in a table. So
ఓకే.
in that I'll select merge operation. So this merge operation will do like insert or update. Okay.
ఓకే.
So next we need to select a tables query, double click implies. Okay. Next, primary key already defined not null. So next, So these things will I'll explain later. Next, finish. So we have selected a first we have provided JNDI, then we have provided operation, then selected table. That's it. So
Okay, you need to select it. You can't. Where can you write queries?
if you want to write queries, that is a different operation.
Okay.
So I'll go now. Open Beppel. Same. Use Invo to connect with DB plus. Okay. So we are inserting records. That's it. So I'll open assign in map all the details. Full name to name, gender to gender. Okay. Now I'll deploy. So we'll log into EM table. No records are there.
So if you want to insert through query, is there a way?
Uh, yes. I'll explain. To database.
Yeah.
No, through program only we need to do, right.
No, no, no. Like I know directly if you want to write you like insert into table something like that. You
No,
can't write the queries.
yeah, we can write, but our motto is through JDeveloper. We need to get the data from other systems or from file or from
I
SAP.
know, no, 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 I know, but in TIPCO, right? Just we have something called JDBC connection. So once
Okay,
you
okay,
create the JDBC connection, right? Like simple JDBC connection,
okay,
then
okay.
whatever you can write from SQL or insert, all those we can. We don't have that many. The process just you can write inserts, updates, what select, whatever you want.
Oh, here not like that.
General how what you do in the Toad or SQL developer, right? You can do everything.
Yes, yes. So web service to DB insert. Okay, test. So we can see, we can refresh here. Okay, record came, right?
Yeah.
So like this we can insert records. So we'll insert one more record. So see, same id I'll provide, like I'll change the values, just one value, test web service. It won't insert new record.
It should throw an error, right?
No, it, we have selected merge operation, right? So if
Oh, okay, okay.
same id, same primary key comes, it will update the values.
1 minute, I'm getting a call.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so if new id came, comes, new record will be inserted.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. So
Suppose,
now,
okay, I got a question. When you say merge, or the record ID is same, it will go and update, right? If you give the same ID with a different data, it will update, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now we'll develop one more requirement, like so we'll pull the data from table.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll create a csv file and place it to ftp location,
Okay.
sorry, folder location. Okay, so I'll create a project, so type so project, so db pooling to file write. So next, empty composite. Why? Because my source is db adapter now.
Okay.
So I'll add db adapter database. I'll provide pooling.
Okay.
Next, so here jndi. So this is the jndi. Okay. So this connection every time it will be same. First time we need to provide. Next, so I will provide pool for new or change records in a table. If any new record is inserted, we need to pull, or if any record has changed, we need to pull.
Okay.
Okay, we need to select a table, implies. Okay, next, next, next. So here we have a multiple operations. Delete the record that we read. So once we read, we need to delete or logical delete. So uh, we cannot delete the records from table, right, every time.
Yeah.
So will update the status. So previously before read it was n, so after read we can change it to y, like that we
Okay.
can do. So that we call as a logical delete. So
Okay.
next we need to select the logical
Okay.
field and select as a status. So unread value before read it was n, so after read it change, we need to change it to y.
Okay.
So next, so polling frequency, how frequently we need to check the table. If
Okay.
any record is there, new record is there with status n.
Okay.
Okay. So next, 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 finish. Okay. Now DB adapter configuration has completed. Now file adapter I'll drag and drop right side.
ఫ్యామిలీకి తిట్టాము దేవంతా పెట్టింది కండబెట్టి అది అల్మార్లో ఉంది నేను ఎవరు పెట్టిన పని చూస్తే దేవంతా తట్లు కండ పెట్టింది అదేనేమో
All right.
బొల్లే బొల్లే
Next.
అని మరిగెత్తొచ్చింది
So to create which folder we need to write. So
You
I'll
can write
select
any folder you want, right?
yes, yes. In the DB, hurry, right folder I'll select.
Okay.
So file name I will provide DB right dot CSV. So I'll append all the records in single file. So continue. So schema required. We need to create a schema. So to create a schema, we need to provide the element names. Copy కొడతాను.
ఎక్కడ వాళ్ళు
emp.csv.
మరి
Next
So
file
you don't have
contains
to change the exact names. Oh, you
uh
just okay, okay, okay. You use the same thing: name, age, ID, location.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So employees. So next.
It has status field also, right?
Yes, yes. So if you want, we can add.
If not, it will pick up only the record that has.
Yes, yes. Whatever in the CSV I have provided. So if you want, we
వేరే
can go with CSV. So I'll add status also.
No, you don't have to. Just I'm asking. That's fine.
Okay, okay, fine then. Okay. So use first record as the field names. So next, finish, next, finish. So I'll use Beppel with no service. Okay, okay. So from Beppel to right. So save, open webel process. So I'll use receive activity, db pooling,
Okay.
create instance, create a input variable. Then I will use invoke to write, so output variable. Okay, assign. So from receive input variable to invoke target variable. Name to name, status no, country, id, gender. We don't have status. Sorry, age.
Yeah.
I'll mention id only to age, just as of now.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll deploy this service. Next. All right. Next. 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 Finish. So you can see the logs. Okay. So now I'll go to table. I'll refresh. It changes to y.
Okay.
So we'll go to D drive.
One thing, right? It
Hurry.
changed to Y. Suppose we have a requirement. Once it change it to Y, you want to change it to Y only when it was successfully sent to different and different client. If it fails, can I come back and update it to no?
Sorry. Yes. Yes. So so db write file is created, right? Now what we can do here, we can use error handler. So if it is fails, it will go to this block. Here we can update to f or something like that.
Yeah.
In the error handling I'll explain.
Okay.
Yeah. So will you practice this or
Yeah, I'll practice this.
yeah, these two you can.
I'm not getting time actually, so I need to make.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.